Well, today's been a bit of a stressful day, let me tell you. I started out the morning by cutting charcoal. Not always a pleasant thing, but it's got to be done. And if you got the right tool, the actual cutting is kind of pleasurable. I've got a nice tool here that's it's a bamboo splitting froe. I bought it from a company that makes bamboo fly rods. Not too bad, but the sifting and all that's not so good. The stressful part was the fact that I haven't forged anything in 9 years, and I sold my last power hammer about 11 years ago. And to be quite honest, I wasn't an expert then. So dealing with the heat, how the forge is going to work. Finn was a little temperamental today, so I did some tweaking on it. It was windy today, trying to manage the heat. That's one of the things with this big charcoal fire, is managing the heat in your face. You can see right now it's smoking pretty good. I just put a load of charcoal on. What I'm going to do right now is I've got a piece of Orishigane that I made from some nails. It's about this size. It's a little big. We'll see how it hammers. So we're going to see what we can do today, or this evening, until it's evening time. So we're going to pump this up and see if I don't make a fool out of myself here. Pump it a little bit more, and then we'll pull it out. Alright, let's do it. Okay, let's put it back in. Alright, let's take it out again. Stick it back in, heat it up, punch it. Alright, let's do it. I'm gonna need a bigger bucket. Alright, so it's hard now. That's all we want. We want to be able to break it into little pieces. A little bit of safety glasses here. This stuff flies everywhere here. You can see the other one I broke up earlier. So let's see if we can get this to break. See if we can make this one a little smaller. It's kind of big. Let's see if we can make it a bit smaller. Yeah, little pieces. It's really my first day working my forge and my power hammer. Not too bad all told. Power hammer seems to work fairly well. I understand a little bit how it moves metal. The forge, it's okay. I kind of have a cobbled together tweer in there that I was going to just try the angle out on. I may redo it. So ongoing tweaks. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.